Namaste. I warmly welcome you all to our 21 days, 21 minutes yoga journey. Throughout the journey, we have explored various aspects of yoga. Today, we will be discussing a topic which is very relevant in the today's lifestyle. That is yogic approach to eye health, a preventive and holistic perspective. What is yoga? Yoga is one of the 6 schools of Indian philosophy. It teaches us how to reach to the highest state by mastering the mind. It helps us to understand the nature of the mind and regulate it. Maharishi Patanjali says, Yoga chitta vritti nirodha. The cessation of fluctuation of mind is yoga. Bhagavad Gita says, Samatvam yoga uchyate. Equanimity is the yoga. Kathopanishad says, Sthiram indriyam dharanam. The steady holding of senses. Yoga Shastras explains about 11 senses, the mind, 5 karmendriyas and 5 jnanendriyas. Mastering of all these is known as yoga. So today we will learn how to keep our eye healthy by using various yoga techniques. Eye is one of the 5 jnanendriyas which connect our mind with the world. It says that the face is the index of the mind and eyes are the windows to the soul. The only window through which we can see the world. Acharya Bhagavata says, Sarva indriyanam nayanam pradhanam. Among all senses, eye is the most important. So care should be taken by human being to keep our eye healthy throughout the life. So let us discuss how the modern lifestyle affect our eye health, the ocular health. We are spending most of the time with electronic devices, either mobile, laptop or televisions. We are spending our times under artificial lighting. We live in a world in pollution with fast-paced life and rising stress. As a result, alarming rise in the eye-related problems. The digital eye strain, myopia, short-sightedness in children, dry eyes, early onset of glaucoma, cataract, and poor focus stability and other eye symptoms, eye-related problems like dry eyes, red eyes, watery, irritation in the eyes, also a common problem nowadays. In ancient India, Acharya Sushruta has explained 76 types of eye diseases. He has also explained the various causes of eye problem. In this regard, he has explained improper dietary habit. Excess intake of amla, kshara, lavana, katu, etc. may cause eye problems. Coming to the daily lifestyle, he has given more importance on the sleep habit. It is mentioned that decreased sleep or disturbed sleep, day sleep or night awakening are the main cause of eye strain. Coming to the environmental factor, it is mentioned that excess exposure to the dust, to smoke or dirty water or sudden change in the temperature may raise to the eye problem. Similarly, psychological factors like excessive crying or anger or sadness also leads to the various eye diseases. So, the modern ophthalmologist offers the correction and the treatment. prevention is often ignored. This is where the yoga can make a difference. Yoga not only cure the symptoms but also treat the root causes. Yoga helps in reducing the stress, calming down the mind, and also it increases the blood circulation, bring balance between the muscular discomfort, and also helps to keep our mind focused. So various yogic practices such as eye exercises, pranayama, following the lifestyle, it not only keep our eye healthy but also improves our overall well-being. Yoga helps in our all 5 layers of human being, that is Annamaya kosha, the physical body, Pranamaya kosha, the pranic body, Manamaya kosha, the mental body, and Vijnanamaya kosha, the intellectual body, and Anandamaya kosha, the blissful body. There are some practices are recommended for Annamaya kosha which helps or works at our physical level. The most important practice is Trataka. It mainly deals with focused with a fixed object. Usually the candle flame. When we focus on the light, the candle flame, it is called the Jyoti Trataka. When we focus on the thumb, it is called Jatru Trataka. Trataka practices, it lubricates the eyes, cleanses the visual system, strengthens the muscles, and also concentrate the mind. Several yoga studies on Trataka has suggested that the practice of Trataka is very useful for correct the refractive errors like myopia, presbyopia, dry eyes, and various other eye problems. Coming to the next, palming, rubbing both the palms and keeping on the eyes smoothly is one of the simplest but effective practice to provide intense relaxation to the eye strain. It not only provides the relaxation but it gives a soothing and warmth effect to the eye. Next we have practices like eye movements. Eye movements where we move the eyeballs up and down. We move the eyeballs towards the upward movement and towards the down on movements without moving the head. We keep our head straight and we move the eyeballs towards the up, towards the down, towards the right, towards the left direction, and also we rotate the eyeballs in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. We have blinking practice. It is suggested that those are working with the laptop or those have by profession they are used to be exposed to the screen. They should blink in a regular interval so that the eye muscles will get some relaxation. This we have also some focused exercises. These exercises increases the blood circulation and also it increases strength of the muscles. Next we have the other dietic habits. Yoga is not only dealt with the practices but also it suggests a balanced lifestyle. It suggests a balanced dietic habit which deals with the mitahara and sattvic food, rich with vitamin A, and all these dietary habits it helps the eye to keep healthy. Yoga suggests a proper sleeping habit. It suggests that to avoid the excess use of screen and making the posture perfect while using the devices. So all these are also included in the yogic lifestyle. At Pranamaya Kosha, we have pranayama practices, Anuloma Viloma practices, Bhramari pranayama. These practices reduce the sympathetic overactivity. It increases the oxygen supply to the brain and effect a soothing effect to the mind. So indirectly it helps the eye health. At Manamaya Kosha level, we have Savasana, yogic relaxation techniques, cyclic meditation and many other meditation techniques. Systematic relaxation and body and mind, it helps to reduces the sympathetic overactivity, promotes the deep rest and helps to reduce the managing the stress level. We have yogic counseling techniques to balance in the Vijnanamaya Kosha. We have Karma Yoga techniques to balance the activities in the Anandamaya Kosha, and as like the yoga, we have in Ayurveda also, it suggests a balanced lifestyle to promote the eye health. It recommends counseling, ahara, bihara to keep our eye healthy and prevents the eye diseases. The modern research suggests that the stress is an important factor which is responsible for eye diseases. So yoga, the ability, yoga helps to calm down the mind and directly it helps the eye health. By practicing the yoga, the mind becomes calm, the body becomes calm, then eye, it affects the eye health. So to conclude, let us understand, let us remember, eye is very important and it is the only window to see the world. Prevention is always better than the cure. So yoga offers a powerful path not only to keep our eye healthy and to live healthy, but also it supports to reach to the highest state of consciousness. So I request each of you to integrate yoga practices in your life, not only to keep your eye healthy, but also to live a healthy life and for the improve the overall well-being. Thank you. Namaste.